Money is coming, I feel it, my nigga. And if it is not, I'll just steal it, my nigga. Banana clips, so we start feeling, my nigga. D.O.B. die over billions, my nigga. My niggas got rollies from rolling them. That she said she would pay me. I gave her a weekend. We ran out of work that ain't even a crisis. We just got an ounce for the low of a price. So we got about a low. Tell it for the large. Let's dig out the car, let me put it in park. Puffin', we pass to the printer, start dark and we rolling the split. That looks like a cigar. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. My team is gon' eat that, ain't leaving the statement. Too many plates, let me pack 2 exercise for brothers to eat. Got a life as a waitress. You might got that loud, but my weed is much louder. Got some to diesel, this shit is too sour. 4,000 horsepower smash from the back, and I'm pulling the hair, so I'ma call a horse collar. So many hair triggers, too many wide. My niggas cut through, they ready to pull it. We pull up like dirt, and that's what we tie. 100 niggas, 3,000 bullets. So many hair triggers, too many wide. My niggas cut through, they ready to pull up. We pull up that skirt, and that's what we tie. 100 niggas, 3,000 bullets. So many hair triggers, too many wide. My niggas cut through, they ready to pull up. We pull up that skirt, and that's what we tie. 100 niggas, 3,000 bullets. So many hair triggers, too many wide. My niggas cut through, they ready to shoot. We pull up like dirt, and that's what we tie. 100 niggas, we ready to pull up. I'm a hustler since the birth of me. Play the game when it's worth to me. Bitches acting like niggas, and these niggas it's straight fuckery. Money over bitches, nigga. Focused all on your riches, nigga. That Don C and that Louis, that Gucci was purchased just for to get bitches, nigga. I pulled up, I hopped out, I rock with my cock out. Yo, BM, she loves me, but I ride with my Glock out. Man, cuss the name and the fame. Track did Jordan. I cook in your kitchen, but that get like them rains. Man, these hoes of the nation getting they beat these moms watch the kids so they can chase us. If you flex on them, Jack moves is always an option. Passing through these bullets on you niggas, John Stockton. So many hair triggers, too many wide. My niggas cut through, they ready to pull it. We pull up like dirt, and that's what we tie. 100 niggas, 3,000 bullets. So many hair triggers, too many wide. My niggas cut through, they ready to pull it. We pull up that skirt, and that's what we tie. 100 niggas, 3,000 bullets. So many hair triggers, too many wide. My niggas cut through, they ready to pull up. We pull up that skirt, and that's what we tie. 100 niggas, 3,000 bullets. So many hair triggers, too many wide. My niggas cut through, they ready to shoot it. We pull up like dirt, and that's what we tie. 100 niggas, they ready to pull it. 100 niggas, 300 bullets. Straight up some young niggas ready to bill it. Got bitches who stuck out them lanes. That's honest, the names we're in. My niggas get bullied. They say you the singer, so why'd you spittin'? My nigga, you hate it. You seen it, I'm winning. Yo, girl in my house playing fine, they gon' get it. My chicken, their mouth, but we ain't gon' get it. Oh. You're better than this. I'm better than this. You're bigger than this. I'm better than this. You're bigger than this. I'm better than this. You're bigger than this. You're bigger than this. I'm better 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 than this. It's not because of that. It's not because of money. Works in my blood and I feel because I'm hungry. I feel because I'm hungry. I feel because I'm hungry. It's not because of that. It's not because of money. Works in my blood and I feel because I'm hungry. I feel because I'm hungry. I feel because I'm hungry. I'm gonna carry this shit on my fucking back. May I have your attention, please? May I have your attention, please? Will the real Slim Shady please stand up? I repeat, will the real Slim Shady please stand up? We're gonna have a problem here. Don't act like you never seen a white person before. Jaws all on the floor like Pam and Tommy just burst in the door. We started whooping her ass first than before. They first we divorced, sewing her over furniture. Instead of turn to the oh wait, no way, you're kidding. He didn't just say what I think he did, did he? And Dr. Dre said, nothing you idiots, Dr. Dre's dead. He's locked in my basement. By the time they hit fourth grade, they got the Discovery Channel. No, we ain't nothing but